Jeremiah, did you find a ride?
Bro, I'm finna go. Wait, y'all see my money? Shoot, y'all don't see it. Shoot. It's $106,000 and $106,000
I hope you like this one.
and something 161.
We're gonna ride in the Hot Wheels car. Wow.
Let me go get this dude, bro.
I'm nice enough it might be a Bugatti. I'm gonna ride home in a Hot Wheels car. I'm gonna ride home in a little Hot Wheels
Let's get it.
Hey, Deshaun,
Hey.
The $1
you gonna try out for track?
Yeah, I'm doing track, yeah.
Awesome. Jeremiah, you are too?
No, bro.
Me too.
You are too? Good job.
I'm
John.
faster than both of them combined.
Yeah,
No,
but
you're
they
not.
won't let me in track because then I would smoke you all.
What? Are you sure?
I'm sure.
No, you would not. You would not beat us.
I am fast. I just don't like playing basketball in the blacktop. I don't know why.
Are we going outside or inside?
I think we're going to
I was going to. Let's get it, bro. Today we are going to be going. There's some jailbreak, bro.
You're the fastest? What do you think? You think you're the fastest?
Oh, look at this bum.
He thinks he's
Bro, look at this dude. Bro, look at this dude. I'll wrestle him and die, bro.
no, he can
Somebody, bro, this dude Jeremiah, bro. Dude, John. Just take this face cam off. Let's get it, bro. Oh, heck, see now.
You nosy.
his head's built like a
Let's get it. Y'all see those downies?
I haven't been live, bro.
I'm still them.
Are you still live?
He's not live. He's doing it.
I mean, not live, but I'm recording. But let's get it. I'm going to cut the first
He doesn't
part
like
off.
the looks of himself. I don't think anyone does.
Hush, bro. Shut up.
He said shut up.
I said shut up. Say hiding. Okay. I'm recording back, bro. Wait, let me go so I can see the crowns. Go. Okay. Let's get it. Make sure you leave this. Okay. Make sure you leave a thumbs up and a like. Like the video, subscribe. That Bugatti, bro. Ooh, let's get it. Try it out.
But I think we can all just did autocorrect and say support.
What?
I don't know why it's
brother?
in the dictionary.
Not bad.
I don't know, really.
I'm gonna be a prisoner. That's time I'm gonna be a prisoner. I'm fixing my stuff, bro. Just relax, dude. Huh? Oh, heck, no. What just happened? Don't come over here. Okay, there. Alright. Let's get straight into it. Prisoner. I'm gonna tell him to say hi, you two, bro. Wait, Drummer, how did I just get tased? I didn't even do nothing.
I don't know. I'm not looking at
What?
this thing.
Whoa.
Haven't they been for a number of a month or like 2 months?
Yeah, what up?
Why don't you have an Apple ID?
I
Why do
do.
you not have an Apple ID?
Too much hacking.
Oh, you do. Please use it.
Julian?
He said he don't know. know Jay Sean probably. Jay Sean, have you ever gone to a fight?
Yeah.
Have you?
Yeah, I am.
Really? It doesn't look like you're the type of person who would.
It really don't. I look like that type of person that would get mad if they shut down your computer, but.
I don't know.
Let me get into this.
Bro, stop, bro. Get out
Let
of
me
here.
get into it.
Bro,
Why
get
does
out.
that say hiding right there?
Cause I put it on. I put it right there.
Everybody go on the comment section. Look at it.
Bro, hush.
I'm just kidding.
Yo, shout out to Houston 100. I mean 10. Well, I'm for telling give money for shout out.
Yeah, move your
You
backpack.
bogus. Stop recording them like that. Just Sean, where's that other case I got you? I gave you.
That was it. That's it right there.
Where's your other one?
Joey, there's something.
My red one? Somehow.
He's that type of person that would put cologne on his feet. You got sanitizer on your feet?
Yeah. Keeps them smelling really fresh. I'm coming off like getting kind of sick, and I'm not getting sick. This is why, like the weather is when
Ron,
this weather I start getting sick. From.
He gave me money.
You have an LG. I haven't. These have an LG.
Subscribe to HA Squad.
What is that?
That's what they call it. And I was like the Optimist or something. I don't even know. Yeah, it's old.
Optimus Prime.
Come on, bro.
It's great.
If I wanted an iPhone, I would have to wait a whole another year. So.
Yeah.
Because I broke my last iPhone.
Oh,
I had an iPhone 5.
how'd you break your phone?
Long story.
We got time.
He said, this dude said long
I'll just tell you
story.
the story. It's not that long. We lived in an apartment. My brother got mad at me because I started throwing his Hot Wheel cars off the porch into the grass.
Ooh,
This was in 5th grade.
he took your phone, didn't he?
Oh, heck, you know, I was
Put it on the
typing.
ground.
Oh, heck, you know.
Right over the
You
edge?
cheat,
And I
bro,
didn't want it
bro,
anymore 'cause it's all
bro,
shattered.
bro, bro, bro,
Put it on a
bro.
new screen.
Get out of here.
Nah, the whole.
Oh, no.
Are you guys playing basketball today? Yeah. I thought you could break his ankles though. He's pretty good.
I can break his ankles.
No, you can't.
Yeah, yeah. Step back.
You can? Don't do all that.
In Fortnite, bro. I broke in.
Let's not embarrass anyone else. Alright, I don't want to do it. I'll beat you guys on teams.
I don't want to make you cry.
I would.
Hey, we have a reputation here.
I've been balling,
You
yeah.
guys in basketball if I have
Yeah.
one.
If y'all want to add me, it's up there at the top.
Dude, I'm wearing
Add me, bro.
jeans right now. I'm about to like.
Yeah, you're wearing jeans.
Yeah.
You all up over here, dang.
Huh?
Tell me.
You really
Hey, your conversation is over
Yeah,
there.
you all up over here, bro. You all up over here. Chill. How does she hear you? How does she hear you?
Why are you recording me? You're not.
But what, bro? Hopefully you're in my game.
Invent that trick. The whole.
The YouTuber in my game, young blood.
The whole like.
cannot beat me.
Bro, John, I can beat you at basketball. John.
Just to make you sound like if you lose, it will make you sound stupid. Okay.
John, I can beat you at basketball.
I'm
Oh,
pretty sure that if you try to shoot, he's gonna rock your stuff.
exactly. He is gonna block your stuff,
You
bro.
don't have your step back is like 6 inches.
What? That's the gap between your teeth.
Yeah, before I got him first.
Oh,
I'm kidding, I never had first.
My step back goes.
bro, hey, bro, my step back go 5 feet.
10 feet. feet. Yeah.
That's a big step back.
Dang, bro, my step back go 5 feet, bro. Mine go 5 feet.
That's not even a step back. That's a mile back.
Travel.
Mine go 5
Oh,
feet.
yours goes 1 inch.
5 feet. Mine is the best. Bro,
Okay, I don't even know.
I'm the best. The basketball.
I can't
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Yeah. I'm done.